Most people believe building muscle after 60 is about hitting the gym and eating more protein. You've probably heard the advice: lift weights, eat chicken, drink protein shakes. But here's the truth: protein is only part of the puzzle. Without collagen, your body is like a house with plenty of bricks, but no cement to hold them together. Collagen is the glue that keeps your muscles, joints, and bones strong. Yet most seniors overlook it or rely on bone broth that doesn't give nearly enough. Studies from Harvard Health show our natural collagen levels drop sharply with age, so strength training alone often feels less effective. Bone broth has long been praised as a muscle builder, but here's the problem. A single bowl rarely contains more than 4 to 5 grams of collagen. Seniors need at least 15 grams daily to support muscle repair truly. That means even drinking it daily won't meet your body's needs. Research from Mayo Clinic shows collagen production naturally declines after midlife, making it harder to maintain strength. Relying only on bone broth is like trying to fuel a car with a few drops of gas. It simply won't get you far. Luckily, stronger collagen sources are within reach. Today, I'll reveal two powerful collagen-rich foods that beat bone broth by miles, plus 3 everyday foods that silently block your muscle repair. This could be the missing link to staying strong and independent after 60. When most people think of collagen, they picture beef bones simmering for hours. But one of the richest, most effective sources comes from the sea: fish skin broth. A cup contains 12 to 15 grams of collagen, nearly triple what you get from typical bone broth. Even more critical, marine collagen is absorbed about 1.5 times faster than land-based collagen, giving your muscles the raw materials they need almost instantly. Collagen from fish skin works like oil in an engine. It keeps the moving parts smooth, reducing friction in your joints and helping muscle fibers repair after activity. It also carries extra nutrients. Omega-3 fatty acids calm inflammation, while selenium supports antioxidant defenses. That means faster recovery, less soreness, and stronger results from the daily protein you eat. A study in Japan followed 120 older adults with muscle loss. After 6 months of drinking fish skin broth daily, participants gained an average of over 3 pounds of lean muscle without changing their exercise routine. Researchers called it a natural therapy for preserving strength in aging bodies. Preparing it at home is simple. Simmer salmon or cod skins with ginger, sea salt, and even a strip of lemon peel for 2 to 3 hours. The broth should thicken and gel when cooled. That's your proof of collagen density. Enjoy it at breakfast, stirred into eggs, at lunch as a soup base, or sip it warm at dinner. Think of it as your daily marine shield against muscle decline. It may surprise you, but the part of the chicken most people throw away, the feet, is one of the most powerful collagen sources you can eat. A cup of chicken feet broth provides 15 to 18 grams of collagen, most of which is type Y and A2. These forms directly strengthen your muscle fibers and the cartilage around your joints, giving you stronger muscles and less stiffness when you move. What makes chicken feet broth special is not just collagen, it's also rich in glucosamine and chondroitin, the same compounds sold in expensive joint supplements. Together, they calm inflammation, speed recovery, and ease the aches that often discourage older adults from staying active. A clinical study in South Korea followed seniors for 4 months. Those who consumed chicken feet broth thrice a week improved leg strength by nearly 30% and reported much less soreness. Cooking it at home is simple. Simmer cleaned chicken feet for 4 to 6 hours with onions, carrots, and fresh herbs. Once cooled, the broth should look thick and jelly-like. That's the collagen working for you. Here's a tip. Start your day with a warm cup of chicken feet broth, or whisk in a couple of eggs for a soft custard-like dish. At lunch, use it as a hearty soup base, and in the evening, Sip it before dinner to prime your body for overnight repair. It's an affordable, natural way to keep muscles resilient. Even the best collagen sources can fail if combined with the wrong foods. Confident, everyday choices can block your body from absorbing collagen or create toxic byproducts that damage muscles and joints. It's like adding sugar to your car's fuel tank. It clogs the system instead of powering you forward. Many seniors unknowingly sabotage their progress by eating these collagen killers alongside broth. Avoiding them is just as important as drinking collagen-rich foods to rebuild muscle and fight sarcopenia. Let's uncover the three biggest culprits you must avoid. At first glance, white rice looks harmless, even comforting, but when paired with collagen-rich broths, it quietly works against your muscles. White rice has a glycemic index of 73, higher than table sugar. That means it spikes blood sugar rapidly, blocking amino acids from being absorbed into your muscle cells. Simply put, the collagen you're drinking can't reach the places that need it most. The damage goes further. When the minerals in broth mix with high blood sugar from rice, they form advanced glycation end products, or AGEs. These compounds inflame tissues, accelerate muscle breakdown, and even stiffen joints. A 2019 Journal of Clinical Nutrition study tracked older adults who combined high glycemic foods with collagen meals. Their muscle growth was 40% lower than that of those who avoided refined carbs. Take the case of Michael, a 76-year-old retired teacher. He was diligent about sipping collagen soups every evening, but always added a bowl of white rice on the side. His legs grew weaker despite his efforts, and climbing stairs left him winded. With some simple changes, replacing white rice with quinoa and barley, his energy improved within weeks. He'd gained nearly 2 pounds of lean muscle at his 3-month checkup and reported better balance. The lesson is clear. If you're serious about rebuilding strength, skip white rice when enjoying collagen broth. Instead, choose whole grains like quinoa, barley, or wild rice. Your muscles will thank you with more strength and less inflammation. Many men over 60 enjoy a drink in the evening, a glass of wine with dinner or a small shot before bed. It feels relaxing, but when alcohol meets collagen-rich foods, it quietly blocks muscle repair. Just one drink can reduce your body's ability to build muscle proteins by up to 37%. That means the collagen you worked hard to consume becomes far less effective. The danger is most significant at night. Deep sleep is when your muscles rebuild most actively, yet alcohol disrupts this process, lowering growth hormone release and slowing repair. A 12-week study on seniors showed that those who drank within 4 hours of collagen intake had little to no muscle gain compared to the alcohol-free group. Take Peter, a 74-year-old retired mechanic. He drank chicken feet broth every evening but followed it with his usual glass of whiskey. For months, his strength kept declining. Once he cut out evening alcohol, the difference was striking. Within 6 weeks, his grip strength improved, his legs felt steadier, and he could once again lift his toolbox with ease. The takeaway is simple. Alcohol and collagen don't belong together. If you want stronger muscles, keep recovery nights alcohol-free. Replace the nightcap with a cup of warm collagen broth, herbal tea, or lemon water. Your body will use every collagen drop to rebuild, giving you more strength, steadier balance, and lasting independence. Few foods feel as satisfying as crispy bacon alongside a warm bowl of broth. But for men and women over 60, this combination is one of the worst things you can do for your muscles. Bacon and other processed meats contain sodium, nitrates, and preservatives. When mixed with collagen-rich foods, these compounds trigger inflammation, block amino acid absorption, and even form toxic substances called nitrosamines. Instead of supporting muscle repair, they quietly accelerate muscle breakdown. A 2020 Harvard Medical School study followed older adults with muscle loss. Those who regularly ate processed meats with protein meals had 45% higher inflammation markers and 30% less muscle growth than those who avoided them. That means even the best collagen-rich broth can't overcome the damage caused by processed meats. Take James, a 79-year-old retired bus driver. He loved adding bacon bits to his fish skin broth every morning, convinced it made the meal heartier. But his joint pain worsened, and his doctor noticed his blood pressure climbing. When James switched to grilled turkey strips and fresh herbs instead, the results were dramatic. Within a month, his inflammation dropped, his energy improved, and he finally began to feel stronger. The solution is clear. If you're drinking collagen broths, avoid pairing them with processed meats. Choose clean proteins like grilled chicken, turkey, or fish with natural seasonings. Your muscles need supportive fuel, not chemical additives that undo your efforts. With the right choices, collagen can truly rebuild your strength. Now you can see the whole picture. Collagen is the missing link for seniors fighting muscle loss, but only when it comes from the right sources. Fish skin broth delivers fast-absorbing marine collagen, while chicken feet broth provides long-lasting structural support. Together, they work like a tag team, repairing muscles, protecting joints, and giving you the foundation for strength well into your 60s, 70s, and beyond. But remember, it's not just about what you add but also what you avoid. White rice, alcohol at night, and processed meats like bacon silently cancel out your hard work. Think of collagen as a powerful tool, and these collagen killers as rust that corrodes it. Protecting your muscles means choosing wisely every single day. Your independence, energy, and even your ability to enjoy life's simple moments, like carrying groceries, gardening, or walking confidently, depend on these choices. I'd love to hear from you. Which of these mistakes have you been making without realizing it? Share your experience in the comments below. And if you're ready to take the next step, check out my 30-day collagen meal plan packed with safe muscle-building recipes. Don't forget to subscribe. You won't want to miss what's coming next.